Dad,
Yes.
we've talked about the pain. We've talked about the trauma. We've talked about how father absence is destroying children and even whole societies.
Yeah.
But I don't want us to just leave it there, because children like me don't just want to hear about problems. We want solutions.
Correct.
So I want to ask you this. If fathers are disappearing everywhere, what can we actually do to bring them back? What are the real solutions for families, for communities, and for even governments?
The first solution starts with men. Every man has to make a decision. I will not repeat the cycle. I will not walk away. I will not abandon my children. Didn't grow up with my father, and his absence marked me. But I made a decision. The cycle stops with me. One wife, one family, presence, not just provision. And how did I do it? I ran from polygamy. I unlearned toxic beliefs. I went through therapy. I confronted my pain. That's what every man must do. Heal your trauma. Break generational curses. Be intentional. Choose your family. Every single day. And until men decide, no law, no welfare, no program can save fatherhood.